right, so we got Ev's Chev back up and running. Evan and Mike have been joyriding this thing in the field for like the past 4 days. I'm honestly surprised it's made it this long, but this thing is extremely capable in the snow, so we're gonna go do some field mobbing.
Look in the back seat of this.
There's a snowdrift in the back.
CJ finally gonna admit I got a little wheelman in me.
I'll give it to you. You got some wheelman.
All right, let's hit this corner.
Dude, if there was any vehicle I would be comfortable rolling, it would definitely be the Silver Rudy.
Oh! Oh!
I was really nervous they were just about to roll right there.
Same, first corner?
I just told Evan, if there was anything I'd want to roll, I think I'd be pretty comfortable in the Silverado. And then he does that, and then I was like, well, now it's happening.
They're not used to doing this in the daylight. They don't know where everything is.
Hey Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Oh yeah, oh baby, it's my seat. Straight above the water, I'm so well on my teeth. Girl in my day, every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taking, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating.
Oh no. Nice. Now he's driving it like a rental.
It would be so fun to whip some shitties on the ice.
I'm sure it's thick enough. It's been frozen for what, 5 days?
Probably fine.
Evan's convinced that he can drive this thing out on the pond. No shot. I don't think he's even gonna get on the ice. I think it's gonna crash right into the ice shelf.
I think we need the speed, don't we?
God! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Are you good?
My nose.
Oh! Dude, are you good?
I broke my nose, dude. I ate the fucking steering wheel.
Oh my gosh, Ev.
You weren't wearing your seatbelt?
You were wearing your seatbelt?
No, I wasn't.
You guys were wearing seatbelts.
Well, if we wanted to be safe, what happens if the ice broke?
Look at the wheel,
Is
dude.
it
Look at the
actually
wheel.
bad? I think she's just lodged.
Holy crap.
Dude, that was so aggressive. I never would have thought it would have been a complete halt. If it stopped the whole truck, why didn't we just drive up on top of it? It's
Yeah, you're right.
You should have gone faster.
Dude.
I think that was your problem.
If we wouldn't went any faster, me and Mike would have been laying on the ice and the truck still would have been right there.